Welcome to the ultimate guide on creating a free IT and tech directory website in WordPress. In this video, you will learn how to build a complete tech directory using the free Radius directory theme. We will guide you step by step to create a slick platform where IT companies can list their services based on tech categories. Users will be able to easily search for their desired tech service through a dynamic search form and location-based filters. Not only that, also how you can earn money with smart monetization strategies to turn your directory into a money-making website. In one word, Radius Directory Free Directory WordPress theme is unbeatable for its combination of easy of use, professional feature, and zero cost. So let's get started. The first step is to download the free theme. So let's go to the Radius Directory website. Click on the free download now button. And after clicking, you'll see the purchase status. Here, click on free download. Now, we need to log in to begin the process. First, go to the Appearance, Theme, Add New Theme to upload the theme. Click on Choose File and select the exact zip file of it. Now, click on Install. Once done, click Activate. You will now get a few required plugins to install, but for that, you must activate the license. So, provide the license key here and save it. Now let's begin installing plugins. Select all the plugins to install and apply. While done, click Return to the required plugins installer. Again, select all of them to activate and then apply. After that, click on Return to the dashboard. Now, go to the plugins, install the plugins, find RT-Demo Importer and click on Install Demo Content. Here it is, ready to be installed. But before that, please read the caution carefully, then click Install. Here it is. This is how you can complete the installation. Now let's add categories and location. So go to the listing, location, select a location for yourself, and then save it. Thus, you can add more locations as much as you need. Next, go to the category. Provide a title to add a new one. And for image, you can select any image related to your requirement. Follow the same process to create more. You just need to provide the title properly and then select an appropriate image for this. This is how you can add locations as well as categories. Now let's build your directory submission form. Go to the Classified Listing plugin and click on Add New Form on your right. You will get 3 options to create a form, but today we will create it with AI in 4 easy steps. First, provide a title for your directory. Second, choose the type. You can create a new directory type or select from here. Third, provide the details. Specify the location and write the prompt. And lastly, the most important one, provide relevant keywords or select from these given suggestions. Then click Continue to generate. Here it is. You can easily drag, drop, and arrange the fields with AI assistance. This is super easy and smooth to customize the fields however you want. While done, click on Generate Form. And this is how the appearance looks. Under basic information, you can add the name of your tech company along with the description. For image, choose an appropriate one and provide the website name. Then give the contact information, company establishment year, and so on. If you need more fields, go to the custom field and drag the drop down here. Set the label like payment methods. Then create the options such as online and offline. You can also drag and drop any specific fields anywhere you want. If you're done, then click Save Form. And lastly, set a name for the entire form like Take Directory and click Update. Next, we will add a listing using the submission form. So click on Submit Listing. Under Basic Information, provide the category, Tech Company Name, Description, Image, and Website. Under Contact Information, give address, phone number, and email address. Enable the business hour, set its type, and the time for each day. This is how you can set it. Then under Company Details, set company type, founding year, certifications and hours, payment system, and finally set the price type and price. Now click Submit. Then from all listings, go to the listing details page we just created. Here it is. Now we will customize your directory website. Click on Customize first. Go to the General and remove the default logo. Now your own logo will be displayed. Click Publish to save. Next, go to the header, and from here you can customize the button text like Submit Company, again click Publish to save. Then go to the listing settings, and from here you can choose which fields to display or hide from your listing. For example, disable search by type and that field will not appear. Then disable search by keyword and it will disappear as well. This is how you can actually enable or disable any fields to show or hide. Next is the fun part, colors. You can change and customize the color as you like from the color picker, like primary and the secondary color. This is how it will keep changing while you change the color. Now save it. Next, we will edit it with Elementor. First, go to the Style to edit the color for the section. Set the background color. For the heading, you can also customize the text color. You just need to keep things organized. Choose a suitable color and select it. That's all you need to do. You can also set each section's background color. from this color picker. Not only that, you can customize its margin and padding from the Advanced tab. While done, click on Publish to save, and let's visit your directory website after customization. Alright, now we will monetize your website to earn money. Go to the classified listing, settings, then go to the payments. Click on checkout option. Let's enable the payment option and set up the currency settings like this. Save it. Now go to offline, enable this option and write the instruction with your proper account name, number and bank name. Then save it. At this moment, go to the pricing to add a new plan. Provide the title first, like post your ads for 20 days. Set the price, number of days the pricing will be valid, choose what options you will allow, and write a short description of it. Now publish this. Thus, you can actually create as many plans as you want by following this process. Oh great! This free radius directory theme lets you allow HTML in the submission. Okay, let's go to the form again. Provide your basic information like before, such as category, take company name, along with the description. Add an image and the website. Same for contact information. Add the address, phone number, and the email address. Then provide the company details properly. Select the payment method along with the pricing plans. Finally, click Submit. Here's the overview. User can easily select any one package from these three. In case you want to change it again, you can modify it from here. Lastly, choose the payment method to proceed to payment. And here is the order invoice with all its details and the billing address. If you click on View All My Listing, it will bring you there. Now go to the payment history, click on the particular listing directory. From here, you can see the order details again, but only when the admin approves the order from pending to complete, the order details will be shown as published, along with the featured label next to it. Let's view the details page again, and here this is. This is how you can create a free tech directory website. Thank you for staying with us.